Patio de Adem,吉慶一圍Patio de Mestre,吉慶一圍Travessa dos Becos,吉慶Cool little courtyards and patios of Macau. Beautiful little alleys with beautiful character. Oh, charming little Macau. Beautiful, charming little Macau. Patio do Adem, Patio do Mestre, Travessa dos Becos, little courtyards and patios of Macau.
This is Patio do Mestre. We got some beautiful shrines. It's Chinese New Year right now, so everything is quite beautiful. It's like it's all recently painted red as well. So we're gonna kind of go through this little area, kind of show you what it looks like. But first we'll put it up on the map, and we're also going to combine it with another one that also has some beautiful references. So yeah, we're in this little patio. I'll explain all of it to you in a moment. Let's put it up on the map first. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So yeah, this little courtyard, there's a beautiful red building that I don't remember it being red. I'll attach it last time I was here to these two patios. There's another one in red down that way too. And then we can take a look later. I usually do that anyway, so if you ever want to see a street and see what it looked like in the past, see how it's changed, the thumbnails at the end will always have that. I'll always attach the last 2 times I was in a particular space. This is just beautiful. So this little patio goes down into these alleyways, so we'll follow this all around, and I think the patio ends over there. I think this goes in a circle, so we have this building in the middle, and we'll just kind of follow it down. So that's the patio right there. Mestre. And then it looks like it goes down this way too, so we'll just follow it all the way down to the end, kind of see what it all looks like. So that would be the exit. Check out all those apartments everywhere up there. So we're gonna go down. Let's see. That's what hello.
Hi.
So Mestre comes down here, so I think that's going to be the end of the street. Patio do Mestre. Yeah, documenting. So I have a YouTube channel, and I'm just filming all the different streets. So I filmed this one. So if you look on YouTube and you look up that street, you'll see. Yeah.
Okay.
Die. So yeah, pretty beautiful. These little alleys in here are really nice. They all have their own character. So this one's actually Mestre, and we're going to combine it with another one. That'll make sense because we're going to go there next. And I'm also going to capture that big, beautiful red building that's newly painted. Okay. So we're in this tiny little alley, but this particular video is just going to focus on these 2 patios. And this red building, this actually leads out to a really nice area near Sao Domingos and Senado Square and such. So we're going to follow it out there as long as the battery life lasts. This is the other patio. I have filmed both of these together before, so I'll locate the name to this one later. I think think this patio is kind of a lot smaller. I can't remember. There's a stairwell up there. So I think it's gonna end right here. Let's see. So yeah, this is the end of it. Oh, and this is called Patio do Adem. So that's the name of it. So the name is actually covered up today on the outside. Okay. So we're gonna go back out to the main street here. These that are red, I wonder if those will be a gate sometimes. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So that was Adem. And then this is just recently painted, so it looks quite nice, quite beautiful. It's our little alley. I might actually include all 3 street names, possibly. It looks. And this comes up to this Sister Rose. Portuguese Steak Cafe, Lucky Dragon. Okay, so we're gonna come all the way out to the base here. This is Travessa dos Becos. And this comes out to that's another square area. Yeah, nice, beautiful work today. And I think we're actually going to walk all the way. We just got 2% left. Travessa dos Becos. And now we can walk across. There's lines. So you got lines all the way down. So that was the street that we were just on. Then we just follow it down. There's Gran Lisboa straight ahead, and then this is the Mercado, São Domingos Mercado. And then we're just gonna end our video